Introducing Data Studio, one platform to ingest, map, validate, transform, and catalog data fast and effortlessly. We have 150 plus data connectors, but for this demo, we have limited to few common application and systems like Finacle, Phoenix Prime, and FlexCube. MySQL, Postgres, SQL Server, Oracle, MariaDB, and IBM DB2. Choose the source system or application to be connected and provide the application details or RDBMS credentials such as jar details, server, username, and password, then test the connection. Once connection established, extraction starts. For this demo, it's already set up. When we click Proceed Connection Established, an extraction starts immediately in the background. We don't extract actual data, we extract only metadata and enrich it with an LLM. Most RDBMS tables lack descriptions. We generate table descriptions and size to simplify lakehouse selection. Here you see metadata with LLM-generated descriptions. We select the needed tables and proceed with the extraction. Where the actual data extraction begins. We use an LLM to identify and mask sensitive data before extraction. Humans stay in the loop as AI flags sensitive or PII data. Users quickly confirm which columns to mask or extract, typically in 30 seconds. This demo uses sample data. In production, it may take longer. We've tested up to 10 GB. Once data transfer is complete, we move to the mapping engine. Instead of writing business logic, the engine handles mappings and assigns a confidence score to each one. For example, if source and target columns match, they're mapped automatically. If not, like birth date to age, you add a conversion, and the system creates the SQL. After submitting, suggested mappings appear. Any low confidence or missing mappings go to the Pending tab. The system suggests mappings, and you can add custom SQL if needed. Once done, save it while data loads into the raw zone. When data is extracted, it's loaded into the raw zone and basic checks run. Details are shown here. Basic checks like MN and MAX run by default to catch bad data before it reaches downstream systems. The system includes built-in data quality checks like whitespace, email, and postal code validation. AI also suggests the right checks for each column. Each validation has its own settings. Once added, it runs on the data. Users can also write business rules in plain language, and the system generates and runs the query. Basic, technical, and business checks are all supported. The system generates the query, which can be saved and run. All checks happen in the raw zone to ensure only quality data goes downstream, supporting ML accuracy and consistent reports. After mapping, we move to transformation. The system generates queries for each table. Users don't write queries from scratch. The system generates editable queries for each table and runs them on Spark Pool. It's cloud agnostic and works across AWS, Google Cloud, or others. Data monitoring shows loaded tables, table health, and validation status. Business quality metrics are coming soon. Now data consumption is ready. For each table, users can see the top 10 records, expand to view the table data, or open the schema to see all columns. This acts as a data catalog. Data lineage shows how data flows from source to consumption in a visual way. For example, customer class code is built from multiple source tables and transformed into the final table. On the left, you see the source, file format, and data origin. All details are captured and shown. Usage insights, such as table activity, are coming soon. They help prevent a data swamp by letting users archive unused tables and cut costs. That's Data Studio. Thanks for watching.